So calcium is in group 2 on the periodic table. So these are groups, group 1, group 2. Each group position represents an electron, so there'd be an electron here, an electron here. And so the elements on the left side are called cations. You may remember this word. The way of remembering cation is the T looks like a plus sign, and so these form positive ions when they lose electrons. The cations are most stable when they lose all of the electrons up to the left-hand side of the periodic table. For calcium will lose this electron and it'll lose this electron, so that row 4, energy level 4, is empty. This is the 4th row. So there's no electrons. It's lost 2 in that row, so it gives calcium a 2+ charge. So why didn't it lose just one electron and become Ca1+? Well, it's not. The reason is these elements want to form the most stable ion. What's the most stable form? The most stable is when the cation highest energy level is empty. So you just completely empty it. That's pretty easy to think about it that way. So we just move towards the right side. We get into the anion territory. So using something in group 6 or 7 as an example, we'll just show group 6, 7, and 8. So group 8 are noble gases. They're very stable, so they actually don't form anions. They're inert. They won't react. So in group 6, let's choose oxygen, and in group 7, fluorine. The difference with anions gain electrons to get a full octet. So fluorine, how many electrons are in the valence? 7, because it's in group 7. So you could see that it needs to gain one more electron to be full. And so it does just that, giving it a negative. So this has a charge of -2. So when oxygen has a full valence of 8 electrons, it is isoelectronic with a noble gas. Isoelectronic meaning it has the same number of electrons as a noble gas. So this full valence makes it stable.